Welcome back to our cozy kitchen. Today we are making a beautiful vegan braised tofu.
Cutting the tofu into perfect little cubes.
Let us pan fry the tofu first.
A little oil to get a nice crust.
Frying them gives the tofu a beautiful texture.
Frying until they are perfectly golden on all sides.
This helps them absorb the sauce later without breaking.
Setting our golden tofu aside, now let us prepare our vibrant vegetables.
Carrots add a wonderful natural sweetness.
Slicing them into thin, elegant rounds.
Adding some crisp green bok choy.
Trimming them perfectly.
Shiitake mushrooms bring a deep, earthy flavor.
Having them keeps them juicy. Leeks are a fantastic aromatic for vegan dishes.
Mincing the leek very finely.
Time to quickly blanch our vegetables.
Waiting for a rolling boil.
Blanching them for just 1 minute.
This keeps their colors incredibly vibrant.
Scooping them out while they are still crunchy. An ice bath locks in that beautiful crispness. Look at those stunning natural colors.
Let us mix our braising sauce.
Starting with premium soy sauce.
Vegan oyster sauce adds an amazing umami depth.
A little sugar to balance the salt.
And some vegan seasoning for extra flavor.
Diluting it slightly with fresh water.
Stirring until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now for our secret to a glossy sauce.
A little tapioca starch.
Mixed with water to create a slurry.
Let us bring it all together.
Heating up the pan.
Frying the fragrant leeks. They smell absolutely wonderful.
In go the earthy mushrooms.
Sautéing them quickly.
Pouring in our umami sauce.
Let it come to a gentle boil. Adding our golden tofu back in.
Tossing gently so they stay intact.
We braise this on low heat for 5 minutes.
The tofu acts like a sponge for flavor.
A quick mix of our starch slurry. Slowly pouring it in. Hit like if this glossy sauce makes you hungry.
Reuniting our vibrant, fresh vegetables.
Folding everything together beautifully.
Every piece is coated in perfection. A drizzle of sesame oil for an incredible aroma.
And a touch of black pepper. Turning off the heat, our dish is ready.
Time to plate this beauty.
Scooping up this vegan delight.
Oranging the vibrant greens.
Never waste a drop of this glaze.
Subscribe for more healthy vegan ideas.
Let us serve this hot.
Dinner is served.
Perfectly paired with warm white rice.
Time to enjoy.
Look at how tender this tofu is.
The sauce is unbelievably rich.
Enjoying it the traditional way.
And a piece of crunchy greens. Soaking up all that umami goodness.
The ultimate healthy bite.
This sauce makes the rice irresistible.
Hit subscribe if you want a bite.
A comforting and nourishing meal.
Nature's beautiful color palette.
A perfectly peaceful afternoon.
Do not forget to leave a comment below.
Have a wonderful dinner.
Cooked with love. See you in the next journey.